टेंशन पे बे।
So hey guys, what's up? How are you all? Hope everything is fine. Welcome back to Buggy Vlogs, guys. So guys, today we have come for Suzuki showroom. Metro Mobile, main dealers in value Suzuki. So let us go inside and check out the vehicles.
Growing up ain't easy. Too many things to do weekly. Too many thoughts to think deeply. Too many thoughts to be sleeping. Yeah, oh my god, I'm not eating. I feel so empty, I'm receding. And all of my friends are misleading. All of these posts and the lives they're leading. Yeah, oh, no way, I ain't gonna stand for this today. I'ma keep my head.
So hey guys, as you can see, this is the brand new Suzuki Access 125cc. It's BS6 engine and the BS4 is there. This is a special edition scooty and the color of this vehicle is metallic matte Bordeaux red color. Nothing has changed in this vehicle except the headlamps. The headlamps comes with LED overall. The BS4 engine gets the halogen bulbs, but in BS6 there are the LED lamps. And the indicator lamps are same. It gets the halogen bulb which was in BS4 engine. And look at this logo guys, it comes with chrome finishing and you get a reflector over here and it is both the sides which you won't get in BS4 engine vehicle. And the tire size of the vehicle comes with 12 inches tire, and in this vehicle you get disc brake and mag wheels. This comes only for the special edition vehicle. The normal ones you won't get this one. Look at this. This is the basic model in this vehicle. The side mirrors comes with chrome finishing, and the handlebars are changed. BS4 does not get like this, but BS6 has this. It has been changed, and the legroom space is decent enough. And there is a footrest here, and here it is written Suzuki Eco Performance ACP Access 125 badging overall here, which comes with chrome finishing, and the exhaust guard comes with chrome finishing. This is the rear mudguard of this vehicle, and the tire gets mag wheels, and the tire size of the vehicle is 10 inches. The front tire gets 12 inches tire, but the rear tire gets 10 inches tire. And the fuel tank is placed over here. In BS4 vehicle it is placed inside the seat, and it has got nice grab rails. And the rear portion of this vehicle is same as BS4 engine vehicle. And the seats are comfortable, wider and long enough, which is so comfortable. And the left side of this vehicle is also same with Access badging 125 here. And there is the footrest of this vehicle and kickstart. Everything is same. And ladies footrest is removed. And this is the controller for the headlamps, high beam, low beam. And this is the indicator button, left and right, and this is the horn button. And here is the place for power start button. This vehicle is started through here, like it doesn't have here, it is here. And here is the key on and off. And here is the USB charging port, which is nice. And the storage space is also increased. And there is an hook over here and another one here. Let's see the instrumental cluster of this vehicle. And here you go. There is DRL overall here, which is changed. This comes only for the BS6 engine vehicle. And here is the digital odometer, where you can see how much kilometer vehicle has run, time, etc. Here is the indicator induction, and for the light, high beam induction. And this is the headlight setup. It comes with white light, LED, high beam, low beam. Let's open the storage space of this scooty. And here you can see the storage space of this vehicle. And there is some compartments over here for keeping some tool or first aid kit. And one full size helmet can be fixed over here. And the fuel replacement is done. So you can see here, it is here, not here. and here it is written clearly, don't put any object on this part. Fuel tank capacity of the vehicle comes with 5 liters and the mileage of this vehicle is 64 km per liter. Let's hear the exhaust note of this vehicle. So guys, the exhaust sound has been changed a little bit. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram. The link is given in description. Stay tuned for Intruder and Bergman. Let us meet you there.
It's all about humanity.